In a world where manufacturers are mainly focused on producing just another hot box, Scanbox was founded on the principle of designing quality solutions for our customers. If your need is to hold and transport hot and cold food, we have the right solution for you. We understand that every kitchen has different requirements. Therefore, we provide solutions specifically catered to your needs. No matter if you're a Michelin star restaurant, a hotel chain, a healthcare center, or a school canteen. How do we do it? Well, first of all, we want your business to grow, not the size of your kitchen. By inventing a modular concept, you're in control of your space. This way, you can save both time and money. Our modular concept, with a wide range of product lines, types, and sizes, creates endless combinations. With Scanbox, you can incorporate all the functions you need in just one box, or build greater solutions with a whole fleet of boxes. Our wide range of product lines and options gives you a solution that optimizes your logistical flow and ultimately your business. Holding and transporting food should be easy. So our boxes are super light yet heavy duty. Combining ergonomic design with an innovative temp stop system, you can feel safe knowing that your food is kept secure when being transported from A to B. And remember, in the same way our boxes can be tailored in size, the exteriors can be adjusted to fit your environment and promote your brand. Save space, save time, look smart. Scanbox, bringing your food with care.